So JEE, CUET, Eamcet and formula revision andi. Okay. The first one straight line. Slope form. Y is equal to mx. It must be passed through the origin. Okay. Why? Because there is no constant. Slope intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus c. Here one slope. Okay. Point slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here one point x1 y1 and slope m. 2 points form. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x minus x1. Here 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Intercept form. X by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is the diagram. A and b. X value, y value. Normal form. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Okay. Parametric form. X equal to x1 plus or minus r cos theta. Y is equal to y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Distances. The perpendicular distance from P x1 comma y1 to the line ax plus ba plus c. This is the diagram. The distance. This is the distance. X-axis, y-axis, origin. This is the distance P. Here, this is the point x1, y1. Suppose the distance from point P origin mod c by root over a square plus b square. Okay. Two lines are parallel. Then the distance between them. This is the most important sum. The distance between parallel lines. These two are parallel. The formula is mod c1 minus c2 by root over a square plus b square. Here the lines are parallel means there is only difference between the constants. Midway ax plus by plus c1 plus c2 by 2. Suppose this is the one line, another line, this is the midway. This is the midway. The ratio in which the line L ax plus by plus c equal to 0 divides the line segment joining 2 points. The ratio is equal to minus L11 is to L22. This is the point line, and here 2 points are dividing. The point A comma B lies on the same side. L11 is and L22 same side. Suppose this is the line. This is the line. The points lies on the same side. This is the line. This is the line. The points lies on the same side. It means they are same side. Suppose this is the line. The points here A and B. Therefore, the points lies on the opposite side. A and B. These are the points. This is the line. Therefore, the ratio L1 and L22 are opposite side. Next pair of lines. Ax square plus 2hx square plus by square equal to 0 means this is the pair of lines. X-axis, y-axis and origin. These are passing through the origin. Okay. Then cos theta is equal to mod a plus b by root over a minus b whole square plus 4a square. Tan theta is equal to 2 into root x square minus ab by mod a plus b. The equation represents y minus m1x into y minus m2x. The lines are example, this is the line x-axis, y-axis. These two are the lines. The first line L1 equal to 0 and the second line L2 equal to 0. The lines are, it represent can be y minus m1x into y minus m2x equal to 0. Therefore, sum of the slopes minus 2h by b, product of the slopes a by b. Okay. If the lines are parallel, here two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. If the lines are parallel, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. If the lines are perpendicular, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 equal to 0. If the lines are coincident, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by c2 is equal to c1 by c2. If suppose you can take these lines y minus m1x into y minus m2x equal to 0, the lines are parallel, then the condition is the slopes are equal. You can write m1 is equal to m2 and the lines are perpendicular, then you can write m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, you can use these two formulas. Foot of the perpendicular. This is the diagram. Okay. This is the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the point P h comma K, whatever may be. Okay. The foot of the perpendicular formula is h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Here 2 points. The p is equal to x1 comma y1 and q is equal to h comma k. Next point, image. Image. This is the point R. This is the point P. This is the point Q. This is the line. The difference between image and foot, there is only two. You can remember the formula only two. Okay. Area. If the line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0 given, then area C square by 2 mod AB. If the line AX x by A plus y by B equal to 1, then area half mod AB. Area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 A square. A is equal to length of the side. P or P square by root 3. P is equal to length of the altitude. Area of rhombus 2C square by mod AB. Area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram. This is the diagram. This is the diagram. A, B, C and D. Area of parallelogram. These are the lines. Formula mod C1 minus C2 into D1 minus D2 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Angular bisectors. Angular bisectors. Suppose this is the one line L1 and this is the line L2. Okay. The point P. The distance and the distance are same. Okay. Formula A1x plus B1 plus C1 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus or minus A2x plus B2y plus C2 by root over A2 square plus B2 square. If ax square plus by square plus 2hxy equal to 0, then the pair of bisectors are h into x square minus y square equal to a minus b into xy. Ax square plus 2hxy plus dy square equal to 0. This is the line. This is the pair of lines. And Lx plus My plus n equal to 0. This is the line. Lx plus My plus n equal to 0. Why? Because it is passing through the origin. Therefore, there is no constant. Here, observe, you can, there is a constant. Therefore, this is the line. Then area of triangle OAB. N square into root s square minus AB by mod AM square minus 2HLM plus BL square. Types of triangles. This is the equation. Suppose they are asking equilateral triangle. This is the formula. Just you can write Lx plus My whole square minus 3 into Mx minus Ly whole square. Isosceles triangle. You can use the formula H into L square minus M square is equal to A minus B into L. Just in this concept, in this video, I'm remembering only formulas. If the triangle is right angle, this is the diagram. If the triangle is right angle, then the formula A plus B equal to 0 or AL square plus 2HLM plus BM square equal to 0. If the line is given, the pair of lines, and the line is given in the form of Lx plus My whole square is equal to tan square alpha into Mx minus Ly whole square. Ly whole square. Then it is the equilateral triangle. Then tan square alpha is equal to 3. This value is equal to 3. Then it is the equilateral triangle. The value is equal to 1. It is right angled isosceles triangle. The value less than 1. It is the right angled obtuse angle. Okay. Parallel lines. Ax square plus 2hx plus by square equal to 0. Passing through the x1, y1 and parallel to this one. Then the equation can be written in the form of a into x minus x1 whole square plus 2h into x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus b into y minus y1 whole square equal to 0. If second condition, if it is perpendicular, it is passing through the x1, y1 and perpendicular to this line, this pair of lines. Then just you can replace B and A and here minus. Just remember this formula and you can change A value to B value to A and write here minus only. b into x minus x1 whole square minus 2h into x minus x1 y minus y1 plus a into y minus y1 whole square. This is the second degree general equation. S is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. The distance between the pair of parallel lines. The formula is 2 into root over g square minus ac by a into a plus b, or 2 into root over s square minus bc by b into a plus b. The product of the perpendicular from alpha comma beta to the pair of lines s equal to 0. This is the line. Then formula is mod a alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square 2g alpha plus 2f beta plus c equal to 0 by root over a minus b whole square plus 4 square. The product of the perpendicular from origin to the line same s equal to 0. Here you can observe these two, here given alpha beta, here given 0 0. Then you can substitute the value 0 0 in this equation. This must be the 0, therefore c. Therefore the formula is c by root over a minus b whole square plus 4 square. Okay. This is the geometry formulas, straight lines and pair of straight lines formulas. Okay. Next topic we will discuss about the limits. Thank you.